Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix shortcuts not working on your iPhone in iOS 16 or 17. Shortcuts on iPhone are powerful tool that can help you save time and automate your daily tasks. However, sometimes you may encounter an issue where iOS shortcuts are not running automatically or not responding to Siri commands. Don't worry, I'm here to show you how you can fix it. So let's get start the video. So the first step is for start and shortcut app. Your iPhone automates may stop suddenly if there's not much free RAM space. Therefore, close apps, including shortcut, from the running in the background. Simply open the app switcher and completely close the app and reopen the shortcut app to see if it's worked. And if it's still not working, then the next step is use official shortcuts. Third-party shortcuts downloaded from the web can buggy or broken and not function as required. So I recommend using the shortcut from the app library, the official shortcut in your iPhone. Now move on to the next step, delete and reset up the shortcut. If a few Siri shortcuts are giving you trouble while the other are operating well, there is a problem with those particular. You may fix this shortcut app not working issue by removing the broken and regenerating the new version of the shortcut app. Simply delete the shortcut that is not working on your iPhone, and then you can add the new shortcut to see if it's working. Now move on to the last step, remove the shortcut app. Uninstall and reinstall the shortcut app from your home screen can fix your problem. Simply hold on to the app and click on remove and delete the app completely from the home screen, and you can go back to the app store to reinstall the app. It can fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you.